afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chris, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with yet another unboxing. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing that beloved, still loving this piece. I may end up having to take this off Rob's hands if he wants to sell it. I really do dig the color combination, guys. But again, this is another unboxing. This was brought to you by way of my good friend Ross Galen. He works with Ocean Crawler, guys, and he sent this piece in for us to do a little tour on. I'm going to send this out to my buddy Bobby, Dane, James, and a couple, probably Joe over Average Joe Watch Reviews if he wants to take a look at it, and a couple other reviewers, guys. But I just wanted to show you something quick. He did indeed. He was kind enough to send this Ocean Crawler hat. Pretty cool watch swag there, Beyond the Limits. And he was also kind enough to send me this shirt. It's a pretty cool Ocean Crawler shirt. Of course, you know I like the orange, guys. But just to let you know, he did send these for me to keep, the shirt and the hat. Pretty cool watch swag. One of the perks, every once in a while you get some pretty cool watch swag, guys. But onto the watch. As you know, I had this is the core dive rated. As you know, if you look back in my archives a while back, I had the orange dial version. Now this is the black dial version, and I'm always down to take a look at a different version of a watch. As you know, like with the Hamilton, I've taken a look at like three different versions of the Hamilton khaki now, and that's a great watch, and that will definitely end up in the collection at some point. Just haven't pulled the trigger yet. But Ocean Crawler, Christian over Ocean Crawler makes some great watches, guys. These are killer quality. Presentation on these watches for right around $1,000 is really great presentation. The box is really nice, guys. Here you see the warranty card. Nothing too crazy. You got the booklet. But again, like I said, the presentation on these is always really nice. Every Ocean Crawler that I've had in has been really killer quality, guys, and the build quality from Microbrand. He knows his stuff when it comes to quality control. And here is the watch itself. Comes with a extra buckle here, or a extra strap, excuse me, guys, an extra leather strap. Very nice strap. And here is the watch itself. This is the black dial version. This is not a first impressions, as you know. Of course, it's still got plastic and everything on it, but this is not a first impressions, as you know. I've had the orange dial in. This is definitely a killer piece for the price. A lot of watts for right around $1,000, guys. It is a little bit on the thicker side, but no biggie. And there you can see the Ocean Crawler on the bracelet. Look for a full quick review of this guy here coming up soon, guys. I appreciate you, Ross, for sending this out. And if you're interested in this or any other Ocean Crawler guys, get a hold of my buddy Ross Galen. He's on Facebook, and I will leave his Instagram info and all that for you to message him if you're not on Facebook. All that good stuff. Like I said, if you're interested in this or any other Ocean Crawler, you can get a hold of him. He'll tell him I sent you the Watch Lounge. Let me know if you think about an Ocean Crawler. Have you had one in? These are definitely overly built and well made, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.